The human brain is a powerhouse, generating about 20 watts of energy, enough to light a small bulb. You might think you only use a fraction of it, but the truth is you use 100% of your brain, just not all at once. Different areas handle different tasks, from thinking to moving. But did you know your brain starts to shrink around age 30? This can impact memory and mental sharpness over time. Now let's take a trip to space. A day on Venus lasts longer than its year, taking 243 Earth days to rotate while orbiting the Sun in just 225 days. And space has a unique smell, like seared steak or hot metal, which astronauts notice on their suits after spacewalks. The universe is also expanding faster than we ever imagined, with galaxies racing away as space itself stretches. Back on Earth, trees communicate through underground fungi networks, sharing nutrients and warnings. Octopuses are fascinating too, with 3 hearts and blue blood. 2 hearts pump to the gills while one pumps to the body. And here's a fun fact. Bananas are technically berries, but strawberries aren't. In everyday science, ice is slippery because of a thin layer of water on its surface, reducing friction. Microwaves heat food by making water molecules vibrate, creating heat quickly. And in space, you can't burp. Without gravity, gas doesn't separate from liquid. Your stomach replaces its lining every few days to avoid digesting itself, and some animals, like wood frogs, can freeze and survive. Blood isn't always red. Octopuses have blue blood, and some worms have green or even purple blood. Physics tells us that time slows down the faster you go. Astronauts age slightly slower than people on Earth. You weigh a bit less at the equator due to Earth's bulge, and believe it or not, you're mostly empty space. Atoms are 99.999% empty, meaning all humans could fit in a sugar cube if you removed the space. Water can boil and freeze at the same time at the triple point, and fire is a chemical reaction, not a thing. Lightning is incredibly hot, reaching temperatures around 30,000 degrees Celsius, 5 times hotter than the sun's surface. Earth once had 21-hour days, and humans share 60% of their DNA with bananas. Life is resilient, thriving in extreme conditions, from acid to Antarctic ice. And remember, you are made of stardust. The elements in your body were formed in exploding stars.